What's up, everybody? Mac here with Dent Repair Now from the Auto Appearance Institute. Today I'm going to show you a front door panel removal on a 2021 Chevy Blazer. So to start out, first we're going to have 4 7mm bolts. Starting out, we're going to come up here to the door handle, hockey stick. We're going to take this out. Just get the corner. Keep that somewhere you're going to keep it safe. First 7's there. Second, under the armrest here. Get your tool in that little slit there. Want to be gentle. Working around this leather, you want to be gentle so you don't dent it. Second 7mm is up in there. Third, this is a sneaky one. I got caught up on it myself. This piece here, this little dog leg, and this tool mark here, you're going to switch from the hockey stick to the blue point. Come straight here. Just pull out. You don't want to pry against the panel. So you're going to pry against your hand instead of against the panel. You will mark it up. Third 7mm is going to be right there. Again, put that somewhere safe. And our fourth 7 is in this bottom corner under the door. We're going to go ahead and start at the top. For this one, you're going to need the extension. You'll see why in a second. So there's 2. You would need it for this, but it's for this third one. As you can see, it's pretty far in there. Alright, and our final. Now that we got those 4 out, it is just the clips on the door. On this one, down here by the speaker, gives you a little gap. Now these clips are pretty tight, but you want to work your way to the top of the door. If you get stuck, just go work your way back to it. Now once you come up here to the molding, you're going to want to pull out and up. See, so you come out and back up to get this lip over. Keep working out. And we had the one that got stuck here. Just give that a nice pull. There it is. And one more. There it is. On the inside, we have our door handle cable, as well as our master plug here. So for this, you're going to want to push this tab down, pull it out, come around, pull that ball. So you want this to come out, twist it, and up. For the master plugs, these tend to stick. So first, red tabs are the release. Pull that back. And you want to get on this, just the white part. Don't grab behind it. And just get it to pop there. Pull it all the way open. That comes out. That stays with the car. And that is your door panel on a 2021 Chevy Blazer. Thank you for watching. And I just posted a tool and tech tip, little bare bones basics. So go check that out for any tips you might need. Maybe you'll not have to watch me as much, but we appreciate the view. Thank you guys for watching.